Today, you're gonna learn how to do audio captions in Premiere Pro. Let's get it. And it's super simple and super easy. Import your clip into Premiere Pro and then click on it. Then it should be on the left-hand side. You're gonna hit transcript. And a blue button should pop up and hit transcribe. Now, depending on how detailed and how long your clip is, it might take a few extra minutes, but just let it do its thing. And then once it's all done, go ahead and hit CC. And then a settings option should come up. If it doesn't, just go ahead and hit the down arrow to see more options. And then from here, you can kind of adjust your settings, whether you want it to be single line, double line, or anything else that you want to adjust. And then all you're gonna do from there is hit create captions. And then now your captions are made. So if you're watching it back and you see that, oh, this word was wrong, or I want to change this word to that word, all you have to do is double click on your captions and it's gonna give you the option to edit, adjust, and change. So you have free will at that point to change anything that may be incorrect or anything you just want to customize. And that's how you create captions in Premiere Pro. And if you're looking for more videos like this, go ahead and click this video.